Okay, guys, you can see I'm so excited. Can you guess what just came into the studio? We have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in the titanium gray color, and it's amazing because I can't believe I'm gonna get this color. I didn't know I would get this color, but I just wanted this color from the launch. So let me hear from you quickly. For me, the unboxing is actually boring because there's practically nothing in the box apart from the phone and cable, SIM ejector. So it's flat. There's practically nothing much in this box. So I'm a little bit kind of tired about doing the unboxing, maybe throwing the inside water and all that. I want you right now to tell me what you want us to do about the Samsung S24 Ultra. What are the features? What do you want me to check, to test, to try, to do with this phone? So I'm doing it for us, and I really believe we're going to have fun right here with this phone, because this is not just going to be I'm just going to unbox it and that will be it. I'm going to use this phone, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to fully maximize it. So you might just want to join me on that journey. And I made a video earlier. You can actually check that in the cards now. I made a video how I came to the conclusion that this Samsung S24 Ultra will still be the overall best Android smartphone of 2024. I made that video early in the year before the phone was even launched. And that was our first tech insight for the year. So let me hear from you in the comment section. I want to ask questions. This is just a quick video, to share with you the excitement that we have, looking forward to do a lot of videos with the Samsung S24 Ultra. So yeah, let me hear from you. Make sure you subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, because it's going to be full of high speed, dropping content with this phone. Until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I see you.